We're going to be talking about the importance of the programming in the cells of the body, unconscious conditioned responses, Pavlovian responses in the cells of the body, can direct free radicals to a particular part of our body and create pain, inflammation, suffering, disease, chronic disease. Not only do we have an external cause of elevated free radicals in our body, whether it's the cooked food we eat, or the highly cooked food with combustion we eat, or the free radicals that come from elsewhere. What is the location of the inflammation? There are all these different places that the free radicals can attack. Why do they attack a particular place? Diseases of metabolism, which might be arthritis, hearing loss, dementia, multiple sclerosis, all different sorts of diseases that appear to be caused by free radicals. And why do the free radicals go to that particular location? I know genetics is a standard answer, but I don't know how strong the evidence is there. There's a relational suggestion that genetics can be related to particular diseases, and there's probably some truth to that. But what I am thinking is that it's related to this Pavlovian programming, which we can inherit from our parents and grandparents, so we might see the pattern coming down that way. Let's take an example. Diabetes. From the psychological perspective, diabetes occurs because of abandonment or betrayal very strongly. And in the left side of the belly, that's the side where we assimilate the goodness of life, assimilate the sugars, digestive system. So the pancreas is right there. And what diabetes does, the nature of diabetes is that there's an autoimmune reaction that attacks beta cells that are produced in the pancreas as soon as they mature. And the beta cells are necessary to produce insulin in the body. And so by damaging the beta cells, we damage the body's ability to assimilate sugars. We throw that whole system off. So why does the excess free radical, why does this immune response attack the pancreas? Okay, so the idea is that through our trauma, through our unconscious reactive programming, we are pouring anger or resentment toward this part of our body. And this can go for arthritis or anything else. So let's see. Now, how can we deal with these sorts of things? In the case of these major unconscious programming issues where our cells are conditioned to respond by attacking different internal organs, it appears more like a internally directed anger turned inward to ourselves and that sort of thing. So there we can look at applying technologies like the Nesser, which softens the unconscious programming, and then affirmations to rebuild these tendencies to drive inflammation to particular locations in the body. So the strategy here would be to first reduce free radicals in whatever way we can, and second, dissolve the conditioned responses that are directing the free radicals against particular internal organs.